Up for sale, 1970 Chevy C10 short bed. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the truck, fire it up, and then drive it. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, 70 C10 short bed, finished in desirable color combos. Beautifully restored truck, absolutely stunning. All new chrome trim, all new glass, weather stripping, seals. Body is laser straight, trim. I mean, you'll see that as I go around it. But of course, we will start here in the front as always. And here we go. Let's just start here on the chrome bumper again. I would say, by what I've heard about the truck, and from what I can see, I would say it was restored probably 5 years ago. And just focus here on the bumper in the front. The bumper is new and was replaced. The whole front section here, this is all redone. The bezels, the grille, all this, the grate in there, that's all new. New logos, new side trim, all the way down, new. And I'm just very impressed that they put new glass in the truck. And it's like a smoky tinted glass. This is new as well. I mean, that's impressive alone. New handles, new locks. Of course, you know, the truck rallies, those are new. Tires are new. The rear bumper is new. This is new. I mean, you know, all this trim is new, whatnot. And the body is laser straight. The fitment is excellent. I mean, this is the nicest C10 I've had. And I had two, you know, really nice ones as well, but this just blows. Condition, fitment, maintenance, what's been done to it, blows them out of the water. And you can see right here as I look down the sides, that's nice. No door panel is sticking out. The hood even lines up super nice. This lines up, that lines up. Door to the rocker. This lines up perfectly, and the bed fits nice as well. So when you back out, that alignment is right. The first short bed C10 I had, they cut it and it was a shortened one, and the bed was crooked. So seeing, I know the other ones were like this, but seeing just a beautifully level truck, especially when everything lines up nice, just speaks volumes. I mean, you see there how even just straight the hood is. There's only less than a handful of blemishes on the car, and I'll point them out as I see it. Hood opens effortlessly. Look at that. 350. It's got an aluminum intake that's painted, Edelbrock carb. It's a factory air truck, updated with a different compressor, blows cold, power steering, power front disc brakes. It's got an aluminum radiator in there that you see. And I kind of like this shroud. It looks nice. It's smooth as silk. It fires right up every time. I drove it home on the highway, at least with what the speedometer said, 70, beautifully. So I will fire it up here in a little bit. You see the condenser, evaporator, whatnot. Nice clean under hood as well. You know, original metal. Original. I mean, and I like that they left that little original paint on the firewall, kind of like an homage to the original color of the truck, one, but also what I would say was nicely maintained original truck. The underneath is completely detailed all the way around. And I am going to get up on it, I mean, but like I said, I will point out anything that I do see. And I know where the two marks are. The inner wheel wells are painted, even back here, so I like how they did that. Just nice attention to detail. Look at that fitment. I like these. This is nice finish here all the way around. And I want to point something out. I really like how they finished in here. Beautifully painted up there. I mean, that finish in there is nice. It's not going to crack. It's not going to bubble. They used the right filler and they painted it super professionally. So, again, door corner, nice. Under doors, no rust. And look at this beautiful finish in here. I mean, that's what you want to see. The beautiful tape line that they did. They masked it off properly, finish in there. They got the quality door panel. I mean, and again, this is all new. The paint in here has been redone. New seat, new rubber mat, steering wheel, dash pad. The paint on the dash is gorgeous. New gauges, new aftermarket radio. Again, the vent for the factory AC. New weather stripping in here. You can see the new seal in there for the window. And again, new visors, and the paint on top of the cab is beautiful. They've got the little custom speakers in the kick panels, very tastefully done. All the gauges work, horn works, wipers work, radio works, AC works. New mirror. The owner that I got it from bought it from Florida, which is from the gentleman that restored it. New seatbelts. And I have not forgotten yet. Wood bed, just restained. You fill the gas back here now, which I like. And it's got a brand new custom gas tank underneath, one of those kind. That is sweet. And as you saw, the wood bed it's not just laid in, it's cut and installed. I love it. No dents. No dents in here. Beautiful. I mean, the body again is laser straight. If you don't like orange and you like black, I believe I have another 71 frame off short bed coming soon. But for right now, this is the one. Beautiful detail there. I mean, and I love the work truck bumper in the back. Gives it a little beefy look. Again, notice how I haven't pointed anything out, because the two marks that I've seen are a couple little touch-ups right there. Maybe they were leaning over it at one point, and then looks like they nicked this piece of trim here, but that's pretty much it. And again, I love the finish all the way down on the truck. It's that glass silk smooth paint all the way down. You don't get that orange peel. That fitment, that corner lines up perfectly. And the same deal here on this side. Really done nicely. I'm just a huge fan of that. No cracks in the glass. Again, it's all been replaced. You see there, that hem. Nice under doors. All this is new again. And I know I didn't mention it's a turbo 350 transmission. Wait, let me just verify that. Yes, turbo 350. And it will be up for sale later today on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the description of this video if you want to check it out. Let us know. 70 C10 short bed, finished in orange and white with black interior. Wood bed, 350, turbo 350 trans, power steering, power front disc brakes, factory air with a newer compressor in it, which I love. Again, aluminum radiator, which has like the factory look on the outside, but you can see the aluminum on the inside. Just finish off the truck here. A lot of work done to the truck. And I might just fire it up now, make it easy, because I'm here. Oh yeah, funny guy. Funny guy.
Having a little fun, Andrew, with this nice truck.
I'm surprised to see that. This is the first time you drove it? Yeah, it's beautiful. He's got to pick up the dog. Yeah, he's got to pick the dog up and drop it off. He can't meet you.
Maybe you want to go to the hospital.
He said tomorrow. Oh yeah, maybe tomorrow. That could work.
He won't.
No, I know he won't. You won't hear from him.
It's okay.
You remember that.
A lot of workers. Look, the cars are piled up over there.
Yeah, no, they got a lot of people. With a long light. I just want to go.
30.
Really?
Yeah. Plus over there, maybe a little more.
I think it pretty much speaks for itself. That black one with the big block drove real smooth. This drives smoother.
Chilly.
It is nice. It's a cool day. You know what it's a good day for? Bass fishing. Yeah.